YouTube, this is UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today I am going to be picking the Squire Stronghold, a beast of a lock. I'm going to be using a long hook and just a standard tension bar, or tension wrench, just out of the cheap set that I got at the weekend. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension and see how I get on. I'll start at the back. 5 is binding. I'm just going to work my way through the stack first. 3 went straight away. Nothing. Well, 1 would probably gone, but I'm going to start at the back. So let's have a go. 5 didn't. 4 went. 3 is here or there. 2 is good. Is it? Yep. 1. I think that 1 would probably score, but I'm just going to leave that sitting for a second. 5. 4 still set. 3 has got it. So not a hard pick one bit. To be fair, I wouldn't even say there was any security pins in that. And I'm quite surprised because the size of the lock and the weight of it would definitely deter people from trying to break into whatever this is hiding.